Hi, I'm Kirby Jacobsen. I'm going to be showing you another of my many rudimental creations. This one's entitled Machine Gun, and I didn't know what else to call it. It's basically two 5-stroke rolls with 2 notes added on at the end. So, 5-stroke roll, 5-stroke roll, 2 strokes. So it's felt like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we get faster. Okay, if we take the last 2 strokes and put them on one hand, we alternate the entire pattern. So instead of 1, 2, we just put it on the same hand. And then we get okay, now if we axe the rolls and we put in paradiddles, we could kind of morph the whole thing. So instead of 5-stroke rolls, we have 2 paradiddles, and this will not alternate at first. So we're going to have 2, one, if you're left-handed like me, I have 2 left-handed paradiddles, then 2 at the end. And again, we'll take the last 2 strokes, put them on one hand so we can alternate them. And of course, it's very beneficial to play them at loud and soft volumes, all different volumes. Loud, medium, and soft is even better. So there you have it. Machine Gun. Enjoy.